Alright traders, yes, so I'm currently looking at EURGBP trade. I'm in on a sell on this trade on my prop firm account. Alright, so I'm looking for price to tank from this level, and this is about 3-hour trade, okay, 4. But yeah, I'm just targeting this low right here, which is about 3-hour. So you can see I'm risking just $150 on this trade because I have just $900. I don't know if I can open my dashboard. So let me see if I can open my optimal traders dashboard. Alright traders, yes, so this is actually a quick trade on the EURGBP I entered. This is currently where price is from here. I'm literally waiting for price to drop somewhere around this area, and I'll secure my TP of $450. So as you can see on the screen, account is up 47,300 and something. So yeah, hopefully market hits TP of $450, and that will bring me to, at least it actually bring me up a bit. So this is the only trade I've actually taken today on my prop account. So we hope this week actually makes a whole lot of sense. So that will be it for now, guys. Once the market hits CP, I'll let you guys know. Peace. Alright guys, so what's good here? So I literally came out here so I can, play football. I've actually been indoors for quite a very long time. So this thing that happened to my forehead right here, I'm actually trying to get some drugs to get that thing off. It's been there for almost 2 weeks right now. So this is where I'm actually playing football. Alright, let me show you guys my kit quick. Right, so currently taking some water break, and this is how I'm looking right now. This the fit I have right here, and yeah, there's the football page. It's Sky Bush out here. Yeah, no saying, I just came here to keep fit. I'm actually here to return to the gym, so I'm actually here to tell you something real quick. Yeah, so I already took a trade on gold, right? The trade actually went well. Right, I already hit TP $740 something, which is actually like 3 hours. It's really amazing, and my account is up like 48,000 something, right? So we're currently coming back, guys. We're actually coming back, so stay tuned. I'll give you guys a breakdown of the trade once I get home. Sorry, I'm actually looking very dark. The sun is too much, but yeah, peace guys. Alright traders, so G Profit here. I'm currently going in on buys on gold. But we can see that this candle tapping into this main block, it's a very hold on candle. It's a very long candle, to say. So yeah, but I just saw my concept right there and I decided to jump in on it. But yeah, regardless of that, let's see how this trade is going to play out. I'll keep you guys posted. So this is actually gold, and time is 6:33 a.m. So yeah, let's see how this guy is going to play out. Alright, what's good traders? Yeah, so like I said, it's early morning already. It's currently 6 something a.m. thereabout. So I already executed my first trade, and yeah, it's just doing well. Yeah, so all fingers crossed. Let's see how this trade is gonna play out. But before that, sometimes when I enter a trade, guys, when I actually enter a trade, I do this thing of stepping away. Now the reason why I step away, I don't watch the candles back to back and try to see what they do, is because it helps me to not make irrational decisions in the chart. Something like if market is trying to maybe go down and draw down, you start thinking, oh, should I close, or maybe did you do a wrong analysis and all that kind of stuff. So what I do is I just step away from the screen entirely and I'll go do something else. So one of the things I'm actually going to be doing right now is I'm actually going to go and brush right now. Once I brush, I'll just head over to my living room. I'll just go play a game, and it's actually just set my mind off it. And while I'm playing the game, I'm actually just looking at the chart as well. So like I said, I think this thing right here, it's a bit going off. I'm happy about that. So yeah, that will just be it for right now, guys. I'll keep you guys updated. Or before that, let me show you guys what the market is doing currently. Alright, traders, so sorry, this was the yesterday's trade right here. Market hit my TP straight up, right? No stress. But before that, I tried taking a buy, but I did not execute a buy on my funded account, right? This particular one, right? But I actually tried executing on my small account, right? My personal account. But this guy hit SL, and I still got the entry right about here. Price moved up, but yeah. See this guy right here, the guy that I took initially. Guys, from this entry point, market is showing me 3RR. Sorry, but on my prop firm account, I didn't hit 3RR. I'm actually going to show you guys the profit I saw on gold. I think about $460 something or thereabout profit. I was just waiting for $750, which is 3RR, but yeah, that's very unfortunate for me at this moment. Yeah, so I'll keep on. I think market already taking my low, so I think this setup overall is validated. Yep, so that will just be it for now. Traders, like I said, yeah, I entered gold and market gave me about $400 profit, and we actually hit stop loss. So I literally learned something from the traders. So a quick one on GBPUSD. So I literally looked at on GBPUSD and I'm seeing potential buys on GBPUSD. Now a lot of you guys will actually see this structure and be like, oh, because what I literally mark out right here is just a market structure shift, and of course I'm waiting for price to, yeah, price already taps in here, and I think you literally took out this low kind of. Yes, it did. And I think price is going to move. Now, more reason why I'm aiming for buy, right? I just hope I'm not on the wrong side of the market, but price is definitely going to buy. You can see this nice liquidity right here. Right, this is a high, this is a high, this is a high. So price is going to hunt this thing, right? And if you look at 15 minutes time frame, I don't really use too much time frames for my analysis, right? So this is the reason why I'm buying. Very nice rejection candlestick right here in this rejection candlestick, so as you can see price is already moving. So I'm just aiming for just about, I think this should give me around 2RR, 3RR thereabout. So yeah, I'm holding. Let's see what this is gonna give me. Peace, guys. I'll keep you guys posted. Alright, traders, so I went in on this trade on GBPUSD. I don't know what I did to the market today in short, right? But I was expecting market to come take out these equal highs, and yeah, price already did that. Came all the way here, and I think he gave about 2 point something hour. Unfortunately, I was not there to close out. So what I did right now is just that I just moved stop loss to break even, and yeah, let me just see how this is gonna play out. But I'm expecting price to still pull out more. So let me look at gold. Sincerely, I don't really have any. You can see price back to where I took my buy before on gold, but I don't really have any entry on gold currently. But I'm just gonna observe and see, guys. Peace. Alright, traders, so I'm currently in on this trade already. I'm risking just $250, and yeah, if we should hit TP on this, we're just going to earn $750. If we hit SL, we're going to hit $750. But yeah, fingers crossed. Let's see how this guy is gonna play out. Wow, that's a drop. But yeah, regardless, let's see what's gonna happen, guys. I'll keep you guys posted. Alright guys, so a quick one here. So this is how the trade is playing out on gold. As you can see, market tapped me in right here, and boom, we're almost heading for TP. And I'm currently up about $500 and something right now, or even more. So yeah, that's what we have, guys. So yeah. Alright guys, so it is exactly things like this that gold does, and it really pains me a lot. Guys, see, market was almost on my TP, and all of a sudden we are here. How like how come? You get that kind of a thing, yeah. Alright traders, yeah, so break even hit already. As you can see, we were almost at TP, man. Like we were almost. I just hope this market does not do this thing it wants to do. Probably like from here it's just pump, right? Alright traders, yeah, so I'm actually looking out for another buy in gold currently, right? And here it is, right? Market structure shift to the upper side right from here, and I'm expecting price to tap in right here. Of course, you can see this nice order block right here, though I don't use order blocks as my entry. I make use of 50% of the fee. Right in here, I'm expecting price to pull into this point, and yeah, we are aiming that same high, right? Yeah, you know, I think I've executed, like, this is the third trade I'm taking today on gold, right? The first one went for about $500 and something. The second one went for about $300 and something. And then the third one right now currently in profit. So I've only taken one loss today, and that was actually my fault because I failed to move stop loss to break even. So I'm actually going to be showing you guys the trade right now on the chart. Let me show you quickly. So right here is my gold. Now this was the first trade I executed on gold today, right? This particular guy, it went for about $500 and something, right? And boom, price took me out on break even on this one. So I had another entry right here again. This guy went for about $300, and I failed to move stops to break even when I should, and this hit my stop loss, right? So this was the trade I took a stop loss on, and this is currently the third trade I'm taking on gold today. So guys, I'm very bullish on gold, and I'm sure that market is going to buy, right? Okay, I'm not saying anything can happen in the market, but yeah, I have this bias, a bullish bias on gold for today and currently, right? Like I said before, I'll start looking out for some type of selling opportunities. Market needs to take out this low right here, but for now I have bullish bias on gold, and I believe that market is going to come to this high, right? That is strictly what I believe today. So currently running in profit. I'm going to show you guys the trade by the side of the screen, and yeah, so let's see if this trade will hit TP. I already moved stops to break even because, like I said, today is Friday. I wouldn't want to take chances on this. So yeah, let's see how this is gonna go. I'll keep you guys updated. Alright traders, so personally I don't know what I did to gold. So this is the first trade, second trade, third one right here, and price already came back to break even. Now trust me, before the end of today, gold is likely going to buy, and I believe market is simply waiting for New York session, like exactly 2 p.m. Right, so I don't know the problem of gold at the moment, but yeah, I'm still looking out for buying opportunities. But before I look out for a new buying opportunity, I want to see price take out this low, and I'll look out for a new buying opportunity. Because come to think of it, yeah, market has already built liquidity. This is liquidity. This is more like equal highs, right? And I just hope market will not just leave me and buy from here, because it's going to be painful to me, because I've waited for all this buy all along. If market takes out these two highs, it's eventually going to come to this other block. That's the reason why I had this line here, but this other block does not look valid to me. So price is likely going to take this guy out, and overall price might actually make a new high. So I don't know yet, just fingers crossed. But I just want to be in the trade, but because currently I'm not on this trade, I just want to get on it. But yeah, peace. GP right here. So I've come to the end of this week's trading, and I literally ended this week with about $800 PNL, right? That's amazing. Even though I was actually at some point I was up like 1,000 something thereabout, but yeah, losses happen, and yeah, I think the $800 is about 1.8 or there, about almost like 2% profit for the week, right? It's not bad. And yeah, we see how next week is going to be. Now, for those of you, like, honestly, I don't even know how to put it. If this was to be a normal prop firm with no hard rules and all of that, trust me, I would have made a whole lot of money, because I was literally up in profit, $500, $600, and at the end of the day, I'll just take break even. Yeah. So the reason for that is I'm trying to like work on my risk management in terms of the rules of the prop firm. Yeah, and so as not to fail it. You know, it is what it is. So this is the current balance we have right here, 47,000 something, all the way from drawdown of 46,000, where I was left with just about $900 to lose the account. And yeah, it is what it is. I actually made the profit, and so we'll see how next week is gonna be. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, and share this video, like, comment, and support the whole thing. And let's see if we're going to get a withdrawal from this account, or